Hello students, my name is Ash Nandrajog. Now we're going to look at question number E2-19, which is page 48 in the workbook for accounting 1030. So to see this question, this is a follow-up question to E2-15. So if you want to learn how to do E2-15, you should watch the other video, which has got a detailed video describing how question number E2-15 is solved. This is a follow-up to that question. So the question says, after recording the transactions in E2-15, prepare the unadjusted trial balance of Euro Strategic Consulting at May 31st, 2020. So you could, if you have a workbook, you could go to page number 48 and you can write it in the workbook. I'm going to do this question in Excel. So I have an Excel sheet ready here, which is going to pull the data from the general ledger accounts, which we had done in question number E2-15. Okay, so all we have to do in the trial balance is we have to write down the account number. Then we have to write down the name of the account and whether that has an ending balance of a debit balance or a credit balance. For example, if we look at the cash account number is 1100 and the balance is 23,500. We have to write the ending balance, 23,500. So let's go into trial balance and start with that. So 1100, cash is the name of the account and the balance is 23,500. Okay, next we go to the general ledger account. We look at the accounts receivable, which is account number 3100. So the account number is 3100, accounts receivable. And the balance is 69,000, debit balance. We'll write it on the debit side, 69,000. Next we have is office supplies. These are also assets and the balance is debit balance of 1800. The account number is 1500. Oh, the account number is 1500 and it's the supplies. And the balance for the office supplies is 1800. 1800. Okay, so we noticed a problem here. The accounts receivable account number is 1300, so I'm going to fix that. Okay, so that's accounts receivable account number. Now we have office furniture account number 1800. So let's write down 1800 as account number, and the account name is office furniture. And the balance of this account is 16,200. So 16,200 debit balance. The next account is accounts payable, and that has a credit balance of 600. So the account number is 2100. Accounts payable, and the balance, accounts payable, is a credit balance of 600. Okay. Next we have Florence Yarrow Capital account number 3100. So account number is 3100. Florence Yarrow Capital. Okay, it has a credit balance of 55,400. 55,400. So we'll write down 55,400. Okay, next we have the withdrawal, Florence Yarrow withdrawal account. That has a debit balance of $8,000. Okay, so the account number for withdrawals is 3200. So Florence arrow, withdrawals, and that has a debit balance of 8,000. Okay. Next we have consulting revenue, account number 4100. So account number is 4100 and it is the consulting revenue account, and the balance for this account is $69,000. We'll write down 69,000 credit balance. Next we have rent expense. It has a debit balance of 2,500. So we will write down, and the account number for rent expense is 5,500. So rent expense, and the balance is $2,500. And next we have is the salary expense, account number 5,600, balance is 4,000. So the account number is 5,600 and that is the salary expense, and it has a balance of 4,000. Okay, so once you write all the debits and credits, if you total all the debits, what we get is 125,000, and if we total all the credits, what we get is 125,000. So we can see that all the total debits are equal to all the total credits. So that tells us that we might have done something wrong, something correct. So if these don't match, then you can go back and look at where you made errors. Your trial balance should match if you've done the correct entries. So that's it for question number E2-19.